you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited we have VineOh. Do you want to know what's in my box and what wines I'm going to be sipping on? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So VineOh's seasonal subscription box just arrived. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys know, I absolutely love me some VineOh. I love this seasonal subscription. Not only is it seasonal, so there's only 4 of them per year, but you get some wine and you get some lifestyle products. So if you're not a huge wine drinker, you could always save the wine for when you have a guest come over. You can gift the wine to somebody. And another great thing when you are subscribed, if let's just say this box you got and then the next box you wanted to splurge somebody else, you could go in and you can change the address so then your next box will be sent to somebody else. Then you can change it to another or back to you. You have that luxury of changing your shipping address in between seasons, and I really do like that. So let's go ahead and see what this box brings us. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty. SheCrafty will get you $10 off your very first box and a free swig Cocktail Club stemless wine cup. So the box is normally $64.99. You can get it for $54.99 and it'll be $169 value. So SheCrafty will get you $10 off and that free stemless wine glass. That is awesome. So let's go ahead and get in. Let's see what products we're going to have, because it's not just about the wine. I'm super excited about the other products too. You get the best of both worlds with this one. Okay, so when you open it up, there is the box of your goods right here. If I can get it. So all the seasonal goodies will be down inside of here. And then on the bottom is always your wine. I don't know how they came up with this little structure to put everything in here, but I have never had anything break, come damaged, or anything. So their packaging is spot on. So you remove the top, and then there is the wine. With this one, you get to choose when you sign up if you want red, if you want white, if you want a combination of red and white, or if you want sweet. I choose red and white because I get, again, the best of both worlds. I love more sweet. My man loves more dry, like red. So doing it this way, we both are happy with what we get. So this one I absolutely love. This is the Wicked Bliss 2018 California wine. I really like the logo on this one. I've had a few of them. I think some other ones are like different colors. I think one was like blue, that kind of thing, but I love that. And then we have a New Crush California Rose 2022. So you have this one and this one. So there's the 2 things of wine, but again, you get to tell them which one you would like. Now, here is going to be the goods for the month. Let's get inside VineOh. Oh, for me? Yes, thank you. When we open it up, that is what it looks like. So this box is Oh La La box. Sit back, relax, and unwind. They do have a cool little maze on the back that you can do. That is super neat to get you from the bottle of wine to the glass of wine. I definitely will do that. And then there's a little sneak peek to inside. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. Inside of the magazine, they will go over each item in its own page to give you more information about it. But right on the very first page, we'll show you what the pricing is. It's not on the actual page for the item. It's in the very, very beginning. You can get all of the pricing. So let's go ahead and start with the first thing that we see. It says exfoliating stretch towel. All right, it's by Spa Solutions. So this right here is valued for $10, and it says, this exfoliating stretch towel gently cleanses, exfoliates, and massages your body with total flexibility. With its unique design that stretches 3 times the regular washcloth size, it allows for full body coverage and easier access to those hard to reach areas. It's an excellent shower companion for those with limited mobility and perfect to exfoliate with before getting a suntan. Care instructions, rinse and hang to dry. For best results, replace every 30 days. Okay, so let's remove that so you can see how big it is. Ooh, and then, yeah, oh gosh, that does stretch. You can stretch and get your whole back, your booty. You can be scratching everything with this thing. Or you can just like fold it up and just use it, whatever. But that is really, really nice. And I do like that it's super, super stretchy. So you do have that right there. Again, that was valued at, was it 10? Let me see. Yes, $10. Ooh. Now we have something that seems a little like it's a container, and it says canister with lid, valued for $25. It's a sugar container. It is a really cute sugar container. If you didn't want to use it for sugar, you could always just use it for anything else. But I think that is super cute. So here's the lid. There is the tag. That is the brand name. It does have this right here for more of like to have a better seal. So when you stick it in, yeah, it does. Like I could almost probably lift it by it. Yes. See, that's what I didn't want to do, but I didn't break it. But I just wanted to show you it does have a nice little tight seal in there. So whatever you do have in there, it will be nice and sealed. I like that. And again, that is valued for $25. I don't think we've ever really had anything like that. We get like wine glasses and stuff like that, but not like an actual canister to keep, you know, like your sugar or something like that in the kitchen. That's really neat. So it says cute and multifunctional. You can use it to hold dry ingredients like sugar, fresh baked cookies, kitchen utensils, or use it as a flower vase and give any space in your home a pretty pop of fun. The wide mouth design makes it easy to add and remove contents too. Oh yes. High quality ceramic measures 4.75 by 6.5. But yeah, that's true. You can even use it as a, like if you wanted to put like your utensils, spoons, that kind of thing in, you can use it for cookies. You can use it for anything, or even a vase. You can use fresh, dried, or artificial flowers in there, greenery, whatever you like. Up next, we have, it says winter headband. Let me remove the plastic so you can see it better. Okay, so this is valued at $12. It's a knit headband. Cute and cozy. Yes, please. Designed to keep your head and ears warm on chilly days. This knit headband is an essential piece of headwear for cooler months. The pull-on design keeps your ears covered in soft comfort and in a hand-knit style. It's perfect for commuting to work, working outdoors, and travel. 100% soft polyester, 4.5 inch wide. Colors will vary. Okay, so you might receive different colors. This is the one that I received. It's like a beige-ish color. And again, this is valued at $12. So you just put it around your head like that. You just put it on your head. You can cover your head, your ears, and keep you warm during the cooler times. Now you have is an umbrella. This one here says durable, water resistant. It is leopard print. That looks like the tag. This is valued at $20. Oh, and the wines, I didn't tell you that. The wines are valued at $24 each. So that is almost $50 in just those 2 bottles of wine, not including all this other goodies. So this right here says made with a black steel shaft and fiberglass ribs. This animal print compact umbrella will protect you from the strong winds and rain year around. Its lightweight and compact design allows you to store it in your purse for when you need it. From everyday errand running to travel, oh, perfect. It says that it's 9 inches folded. It is nice and compact, so you can just really put it anywhere. There's not a button, so it's not like an auto up or down. You just pull it up and down and open it. You could even use this in the summer to keep the sun off you if it's not raining. So it is a multifunctional if you like to use this for, you know, whichever. I have so many umbrellas here. I will save this for one of you guys. I literally have an umbrella in every single one of my doors. I have one in the back, and I even have a big long one, like you can use as a walking cane, almost like a big one that we can use together if we're out and we don't want to both hold one. So I literally have probably 5 or 6 umbrellas in my car at all times. Plus we have some by the door, we have some outside, we have some in his car. So we have them everywhere because in Florida in the summer, it could just rain and you don't even know it. There's no warning. It just starts raining like every single afternoon in the summer. So I'm always prepared. All right, there looks like there's one more item left in here, and this says that it is a planner pad. Now the picture on here shows a blue one, so I'm sure the color might be sent at random. This is valued for $20. Let me show you what I'm talking about with the blue. So this is what the image shows. That obviously is different than this. So it probably will be sent at random. It says, new year, new you. You'll love this productivity planner that will help give you the tools to reach your goals this year. The checklist planner covers flip over easy and lay flat for comfortable writing, plan out office organizing, favorite list, or the next month at a glance with this minimalist planner. Oh, organized. 3 dividers with gold embossed inspiring quotes, 32 pages per section, and 96 total pages. Design will vary. Yes, so the design will vary. This one says, check it off. Notes and to-dos. Like, check it off my list. Checking it twice. Okay, so the first divider is right here, and it says, and she never gave up, no matter the size of the to-do list. So there's that. And it says notes and to-dos, and it's a perforated page. So you can tear off just the notes, or you can tear off just the to-do, or both. So you do have the perforation that runs there down to there. And is that all of these? Yes. So that is that whole section right here after that first divider of all of those, and you can remove them easily. Let's crush these goals. And there's another one, notes and to-dos. All of them is the same. Yep. And then the next one says coffee and then the world. And then the same thing right there. So you can divide them into 3, or you can just go and use them one at a time. But that is really neat that you have a checklist. That is super neat. So that is everything that came in this seasonal Oh La La box by VineOh. So you do have this planner, which would be in different designs, but everything on the inside would be exactly the same. And I do really like that it does have that perforation, and you can split each one up, you know, however you want. So you have that. You have an umbrella. You will have this headband, which the color would be sent at random. You have this really cute sugar jar, or you can use this for anything. And then you have this right here you can use to wash your entire body. And then don't forget about the wine. All right, you guys. So again, that is everything now for this particular box. And don't forget, if you use my code SheCrafty, that will not only just get you $10 off, but it'll also get you that free stemless wine mug as well. So if you want to go ahead and sign up, use my code, save some money, and get something for free. That's awesome. If you want a little bit more information about VineOh, I will let you know right about now. This is $64.99 per season. And again, you can get it with my code for $54.99. And for the wines, again, you get to choose them, the white, the red, the mixture, or the sweet. You can pay either quarterly, or you could pay annually to save more money on the box. And then you can just sit back and enjoy the wine and enjoy the products inside. So that is everything now for this seasonal box. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew.